Aloha guys and good morning. Just want to share some of this morning. I'm so blessed. Look at this beautiful flower here. The raindrops, we live on the windward side, and this is every morning, but it's so surreal, so peaceful. Got a little liquid sunshine before the supposedly rain and wind hits us. It's hitting Maui right now, so we still await. But as long as it's just rain, we good. No more wind, no more week without power. But let go and let God, people. Life's beautiful. The universe is for you and not against you. I love you all. Sending love and light to all.